Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this series of LeetCode Crack SQL interview in 50 questions, we are going to solve next problem in this series. And the next problem in this series is not boring movies, which means we have to calculate movies which are not boring. So let's check this problem. So this problem has, this problem is LeetCode problem number 620, and it has one table which has four columns. And first one is ID, second one is movie, and the third one is description and then rating. ID is of integer type and movie is of varchar and description is varchar and rating is in float. Here ID is the primary column, that means column with unique values for this table, and each row contains information about the name of a movie and its genre and its rating also. Rating is at two decimal places, float in range 0 to 10. We have to write a solution. We have to write a solution to report the movies with an odd numbered ID and a description that is not boring, and we can return the result table ordered by rating in descending order. Here we have been given some like examples like ID, movie, description, and it has like a movie name and then description and then rating. And here output should be should not have a description as boring. So as we can see here that it has returned two movies which are interesting and great 3D. So let's check for the solution. So in this table, let's apply our filtering conditions. The odd number IDs are 1 and 3 and 5, and the movie with the ID 3 is boring, as we can see here, and so we can remove it. Now we sort by rating in descending order. So let's write our a code. But how do we write a query for this? Our approach is simple. We can use the mod, that means a mod of id comma 2 equal to 1 condition to filter odd number IDs, and then exclude movies with the description boring using where description not equal to boring, and then we can return the result sorted by rating in descending order by using order by rating DSC. So let's write SQL query. Here we can do is that select star all the columns from cinema table, and then where mod id comma 2 equal to 1, that means only odd numbered movies, and then and description not equal to boring, and then we will return it by order by rating and DS in descending order. So this is our solution, and let's break it down. Like here we are using mod id comma 2, that means this condition ensures that we only pick movies which are ordered, like which have id which is odd. Let's break it down. Here mod id comma 2, this condition ensures we only pick movies with an odd ID, and then description. This removes all movies where description is boring, and the third one order by rating DSC. This ensures that we sort the movies by rating from highest to lowest. Now let's run our query on our test cases, and let's see. Okay, so this was the error, and now let's I hope it returns, and as we can see here that this code has successfully returned the exact output for our problem. And let's try to submit it and see if it works for all the test cases in this problem or not. As we can see here that this is this solution or this code has passed all the test cases that are available in this problem. So like and there you have it. We have successfully filtered out movies based on odd IDs and non-boring description and sorted them by rating. I hope you found this SQL challenge fun and engaging. And if you did, smash that like button if you did learn something new, and subscribe for more SQL and data science content. And please do not forget to drop a comment if you have any questions or want more SQL challenges. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.